Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make TORI SHIO ramen. I simplified the recipe as much as I could so that it's easy for you to make. It's really good, but please don't expect restaurant quality. Really good though. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this TORI SHIO ramen, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 4 bags of ramen noodles, 1 to 2 chicken breasts depending on the size, some ginger and garlic, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of Chinese soup stock. I'm using this one today, but any Chinese soup stock will do. This green part of Japanese leek and some green onion. The chicken first. It's for the topping and also for the soup. Remove the skin. You're using the skin for the soup, so let's keep it here. Trim all the fat. Cut it into half and rub 1 teaspoon each of sugar and salt. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm making boiled egg. Make small crack at the bottom of the egg. Round side, pointy side, on this side. Put some water about halfway up the eggs. Put the lid on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling. Turn the heat to medium-low and set the timer for 8 minutes. Cook for 8 minutes, so let's turn the heat off and take them out in ice water. Now let's do the vegetable cutting. So green onion first. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together and slice thinly. This is one of the toppings for ramen, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. The Japanese leek, and you're using this green part only to flavor the broth, so let's cut it here. Ginger, just make some slices. Some garlic, remove the skin. And crush. Put 4 cups of water. Green part of Japanese leek. Sliced ginger. Crushed garlic. Chinese soup stock. Chicken skin, and chicken after you rinse off the sugar and salt. So it's rinsed. Put the lid on, cook it over medium heat and bring it to right before boiling. Now it's about to boil. Remove the scum. Adjust the heat so that it's never boiling. Put the lid back on and cook for 10 minutes. It's cooked for 10 minutes. Kill the heat. Take the chicken out. Remove leek. Chicken skin. Ginger and garlic. Pinch of salt to taste. Give it a stir. And ramen soup is ready. Let's slice the chicken. Cut the boiled eggs into half. And all the toppings are ready too. Now it's time to cook the noodles. Prepare plenty of boiling water and cook the noodles by following the instruction on the package. Noodles are ready, so let's drain it well. Put it in the serving bowl. The soup. The toppings. Some black pepper if you like. And TORI SHIO ramen is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Let's have some soup first. Itadakimasu. So flavorful. And the noodles. Ramen usually takes hours to cook, but this quick version tastes so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. But today it's ramen, so let's forget about the layout and let's have ramen and gyoza. These two are like best friends. Some pickles to refresh your palate if you like. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.